Everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to add hyperlink in Google Docs. So there are two methods how you can do this. So the first method is to just copy a URL and pasting it. So as it is not showing that it's a hyperlink, you just need to enter a space in order to show its actual hyperlink. So you can also punctuate it like this and space in order to make it visible. So the other way is to go to the location where you want to add the hyperlink and click on this insert link icon here. The first text box is for the text you want to keep and the link for the other. After you click on apply, you will see that you have a hyperlink in this text where you can access the link just like the other text above it. And these are two ways you can insert a link in Google Docs. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.